The Resilience and Sustainability Summit, RES Summit 2047, is one of the unique assemblage of experts, senior policymakers, civil society, a lot of institutions, UN agencies to discuss and deliberate on the futuristic course of disaster risk reduction. The disaster management has been undergoing significant changes with the experiences that we gain by each disaster. Now it is time to bring this disaster risk reduction thought process more effective at the local level. And here the context of climate change, anthropogenic dimensions, city resilience, infrastructure, the lessons that we learned in COVID period for disaster risk reduction, and also the inclusiveness like integrating gender concerns and several other dimensions have been discussed. More than 400 delegates from across 50 organizations, more than 30 states of India, and almost 25 ministries of Government of India, and more than 45 partners. They joined this program, which comprised of 23 sessions. 23 sessions included 3 very specific high-level keynote sessions also, and 9 colloquy. Colloquy was basically like parisamvad on a very specific topics were being discussed there, that what are the key concerns, key contexts for the futuristic roadmap for disaster risk reduction. This RES-Summit, Resilience and Sustainability Summit, was organized jointly by National Institute of Disaster Management, jointly with UNDP GIZ, under the aegis of Department of Science and Technology, and with full support of Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, Disaster Management Division, and National Disaster Management Authority. The summit, its outcome is going to lead towards a framework for developing the Vision 2047, the futuristic vision for disaster risk reduction in India, for India's leadership at global level, that India can support various other countries of the region, and India can play as a leader in several fronts of disaster risk reduction under the able leadership of Honorable Prime Minister and the current regime that is promoting disaster risk reduction as one of the major strategy for sustainable development and resilient, safe development. So this is one of the key concerns, and the outcome will also feed into the third meeting of National Platform for DRR going to take place in the month of March this year itself. So looking forward to the roadmap for implementation of this, the key recommendations. Thank you.